I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger SiteOrigin. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form and fill it out to retrieve the SiteOrigin. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Action Keap. Give here the client ID and the client secret. To make this integration you should need Keap CRM and Keap developer accounts both. So please visit the Keap client ID and the client secret. This is my Keap developer site. New app. Give here a meaningful integration app name. Enable. Save. Show secret. Copy the secret key and API key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Give access to your Keap CRM account and allow it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Keap CRM site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Keap CRM site. Thanks for watching.